In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add credit card to TikTok account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add different payment methods to your TikTok account, including a debit card or a credit card. So in order to do this, access your profile, so tap on profile at the bottom right, and then you will be able to tap on the menu at the top. When you go to the menu, access your balance, and now you will be able to see the amount of coins that you have and the amount of live rewards. There are two main ways to add a credit card. So first, this is going to refer if you want to purchase coins. The other one is going to refer if you want to withdraw them. So for this first method, you tap on the amount of coins that you have on your balance, and you will see the recharge options. Tap on any of these and select the option to recharge at the bottom. Now, if you are doing this through the Google Play Store, you will see it open right here, and if you are doing this on iOS, of course, you will see the App Store instead. When this opens, you simply have to choose the option to add a card. Now, when you choose add card, you will be able to input the details about a valid credit card, the expiry date, and then the security code. When you add the card, it will be linked to your Google Play Store or App Store account, and with that done, you can finish making this purchase. You will receive the coins in your balance using that specific card that you selected. So it's simple, and this allows you to purchase coins using the credit card that you added. So essentially, you will be adding the card to the Google Play Store or the App Store and not TikTok directly. The other option refers to live rewards. If you accumulated rewards from these live streams, then you will be able to tap withdraw, and this allows you to withdraw the balance that you have into an external payment method. So essentially, you could withdraw this to PayPal, to a bank, and then add your credit card to that specific service in order to use it. So choose whichever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to add credit card to TikTok account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.